Hi, boys and girls. Over the last few weeks, we've talked about Benjamin Franklin and the contributions he made to America. Today, we are going to see why some people consider him to be a superhero because of the things he did as an inventor, an author, and a statesman. Let's read about two things he did and determine if these things contribute to him being an author, an inventor, or a statesman. Some people consider Benjamin Franklin to be the original Aquaman. He invented swim fins when he was just 11 years old. Do you think that this makes Benjamin Franklin a superhero as an inventor, an author, or a statesman, and why? Franklin was directly involved in many of the most important pieces of political writing of his time. He was directly involved with editing the Declaration of Independence, was a trusted voice at the Constitutional Convention, which led to the United States Constitution, and was integral in writing the Treaty of Paris, which officially ended the Revolutionary War. Does this show Benjamin Franklin as an author, an inventor, or a statesman? And why? He could control lightning. For colonial Americans, the threat of massive urban fires was very real, thanks to the unpredictable and then mysterious meteorological phenomenon known as lightning. Lightning could, without warning, cause an entire village to erupt in fire until Franklin introduced the lightning rod, a simple device that directed the electrically charged lightning to the ground and prevented many fires as a result. Do you think that this makes Benjamin Franklin a superhero? He knew the importance of a good costume. Although Franklin lived in America, he was sent to Paris to advocate for the young United States at the French court. While he was there, he would wear a fur hat that he would not wear if he were to come home. In large part because of Franklin's charm, the French ultimately supported the American cause, leading to an eventual victory for the United States in the Revolutionary War. Do you think that this makes Benjamin Franklin a hero? Lastly, he was dedicated to saving lives. In the 1750s, as urban populations in the New World began to rise, Franklin helped to found the first hospital in what would become the United States. Pennsylvania Hospital still exists and operates today in Philadelphia. Do you think this makes Benjamin Franklin a superhero?